M2M. What's that? M2M, also known as Member to Member, is a great program provided exclusively to members of the Dunwoody Chamber of Commerce that gives all chamber members the opportunity to experience your product or service at a savings advantage. More or less, the M2M program will assist you in saving money and help you promote your products or services. Sounds good, right? There's more. Here's what M2M can do for you. With membership comes privilege, and as a member of the Dunwoody Chamber of Commerce, you and your business will have an exclusive opportunity to bring new business to your door, increase your business visibility, assist with boosting your sales, and of course, with your member-to-member card, save money. Just think, there are over 300 chamber member companies. More participants equals greater purchasing power that can positively impact your business and save you money. Here's what some of our members have to say about the M2M program.
Hi, I recommend the member-to-member program through the Dunwoody Chamber because it encourages all of us to shop local, to support the businesses who also support the chamber, because that's how we all grow our business.
The more people that participate in the program, the better chance there is to save money and the better opportunity is for your business to grow.
Ready to participate? Here's what you need to do. Determine what kind of discount or special you wish to offer. One that is different than what you may advertise to the general public. Own a restaurant? How about a discount for chamber members on certain days? Own a retail shop? How about a percentage off on certain items, all year or on designated days? In the service industry, how about providing a special discount or free offer to chamber members? Regardless of your business, be creative. Remember, the Dunwoody Chamber of Commerce's member-to-member program was designed to assist you in promoting your business and, at the same time, help save you money. Participation is key. So what are you waiting for? Post your member-to-member deal today.